Hello weather enthusiasts, in a new video. Snow, rain and strong winds are expected in the United Kingdom over the next 5 days, according to the latest forecasts from the ECMWF 9-kilometer numerical weather prediction model. Please watch the complete weather bulletin, and before diving into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell for updates. Dear viewers, get ready for extremely unsettled weather on Tuesday, December 19th, as several dynamic factors converge, leading to the occurrence of rain, snow, and strong winds. In the early hours of tomorrow morning, an Atlantic air front is expected to bring moderate to occasionally heavy rain to England and Wales, possibly even Northern Ireland. This rain is expected to persist until around noon. Later in the evening and night, an Icelandic low will impact most areas of Scotland, the Northern Isles, and the Northwest Highlands, resulting in light to moderate rainfall. Due to this Icelandic low, anticipate some scattered snowfall in specific regions of Scotland, namely South Reeshall, Achnasheen, Fort Augustus, Fort William, Kingassy, Dalwhinnie, Speenbridge, Braemar, Ballater, Aviemore, Pitlochry, and John O'Groats. The significant convergence of isobar lines associated with atmospheric pressure will lead to the onset of strong winds, ranging from 50 to 80 kilometers per hour across most of Scotland, northern England, the Northern Isles, and the Western Islands of the Kingdom. Coastal areas of Northern Ireland, Wales, and the majority of England's coastlines will also experience these strong winds. The impact of the Icelandic low will continue on Wednesday, with light to moderate rain expected in the Northern and Western Isles, as well as most areas of Scotland, Northern England, and Northern Ireland. Very light raindrops may reach Northern Wales. Some snowfall will persist in Scotland, specifically in the areas of Aviemore, Ballater, Fort Augustus, Braemar, South Rosehall, and South Kinbrace. Always exercise caution due to strong wind gusts ranging from 50 to 80 kilometers per hour across most of Scotland, many islands, Northern Ireland, Wales, Northern England, and the majority of England's coastal areas. Dear viewers, rain, snow, and strong winds will persist on Thursday, December 21st, Friday, December 22nd, and Saturday, December 23rd. Snowfall will encompass almost the northern half of Scotland, the Northern Isles, and the Northwest Highlands, with depths exceeding 20 or 30 centimeters in some areas. Rainfall will continue intermittently across most regions of the kingdom, especially during Saturday, December 23rd, potentially taking on a stormy character in northern England and southern Scotland. Winds will be strong to very strong, especially on Thursday, December 21, with speeds exceeding 100 kilometers per hour in some areas such as Scotland, Northern England, the Northern Isles, and the Northwest Highlands. Now here is the snow accumulation forecast from Thursday, December 21st to Saturday, December 23rd. Between 15 and 40 centimeters in Kinlochbervie, Lochinver, also Ullapool, Achnasheen, Dundonell, and Kinlochhuwa, South Aviemore, and West Braemar. Between 10 and 20 centimeters in areas Thurso, Betty Hill, Wick, Kinbrace, Rosehall, Scowrie, Fort Augustus, Aviemore, Dufftown, Braemar, and Killin.